Hi there, my name is Cynthia. I'm a co-founder of Roti BABE, authentic Vietnamese food. I started Roti BABE during the COVID pandemic period. Being passionate about cooking, staying at home is not my option. So that's how I started to take up a store. We started very humbly, small little store somewhere in Tanjung Bunga for almost a year plus, close to 2 years. Fast forward, it's been 4 years. I love cooking. Cooking, there's no hard fast rules. You have to be creative about it. If you're passionate about it, you become creative. I will put my signature roll as the #1 choice. Why signature rolls? Is because it comes in 3 different flavors. I've got one pork and prawn, which is the original. I have got lemongrass chicken, and I've got spicy or non-spicy char siu roll. So one set comes in 3 rolls. Reason being is, when you try the signature rolls, you get to try 3 different flavors. They can even opt for the spicy or non-spicy char siu. So in that sense, one spring roll, they know in the future the next signature roll that they want to order, which is the banh mi or whether it's a salad, they know what kind of topping they want. You can go to any Vietnamese restaurant or any food stall in Penang. I have gone and tried most of them before I started this. And I realized that the difference is in the ingredients. And this is where I developed new menus. Char siu banh mi, lemongrass chicken banh mi, I have spicy banh mi, I have vegetarian banh mi. Whatever ingredients I have, I can create special banh mi for you. And it's fully packed with all the necessary ingredients. When you bite into it, what you see is 70% of it is solid meat and the rest is all the vegetables. My customer can have a choice of a banh mi, combining both. Half of it is lemongrass chicken, the other half of it is the char siu. I know my Vietnamese food is different from others, and this is what I've done, and it's something that's very special, very healthy. I would want to share it with others.
This is also new for me. I'm trying it first time. So let's see, combination of egg, rice and different herbs, and the taste is very unique. Must try whenever you come to Penang, Roti BABE.
I welcome all of you to Roti BABE at JJ Beer Garden, which we are operating from Monday to Sunday, except for Tuesday. We are operating from 11:30 to 9 o'clock at night. Good food, good mood. If it's good enough for my mother, it's good enough for all my customers and friends. Welcome to Roti BABE at JJ Beer Garden. Thank you, everyone.